If you want to make your Squarespace site feel more modern, more dynamic, and instantly more engaging, adding a background video is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a background video in Squarespace step by step, so you can create a more polished experience for your visitors without getting stuck in the settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. From there, go to website, then click pages and choose the page where you want to add the background video. This is important because the video background has to be added to a specific section on the page, not just anywhere on the site. Once you've opened the right page, click edit in the top left corner of the website preview screen. This will put the page into editing mode and let you modify the sections directly. Now scroll through the page until you find the section where you want the video background to appear. If you don't already have a section in mind, you can also click Add Section to create a brand new blank block canvas for your video. That gives you a clean area to work with and makes the video stand out even more. After you've located the section, hover your mouse over it carefully. You should see a floating toolbar appear. On that toolbar, click the Edit Section button, which looks like a pencil icon. This opens the Section Settings panel, where you can change the background and layout options for that specific area. In the Side Settings panel, click on the Background tab. This is where Squarespace lets you control what appears behind your section content. Right now, it may be set to an image or art background, but you want to switch it over to video. So change the background type selection from image or art to video. Once you do that, Squarespace will show you the option to add your media. Next, click the plus icon or the add video option to choose your video source. You usually have two main choices here. The first option is upload file, which lets you select a video file directly from your computer. Squarespace typically supports common file types like MP4, MOV, or M4V, so if your file is already saved locally, this is the easiest method. The second option is Add from Link, which lets you paste a standard video URL from a supported platform like YouTube or Vimeo. If your video is already hosted online, this can be a faster way to connect it without uploading the file manually. After you add the video, Squarespace will begin processing it. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a moment. Once it's ready, preview the section and make sure the video displays correctly as the background. If needed, you can go back and adjust the section settings to make sure the video looks clean and fits the style of your page. You may also want to test how it appears on desktop and mobile, because background videos can display differently depending on the device. A quick preview can help you make sure the text on top of the video is still easy to read and that the layout feels balanced. And that's it. You've now added a background video to a Squarespace page. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how professional and engaging your website feels. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like. Subscribe for more Squarespace tips, and I'll see you in the next video.